What's going on, guys? Corey from Yoda Expedition here, and you can see on our 4Runner we have the ladder from C4 along with a Rotopax can and some other accessories, and with this extra added weight on the rear, when you do open the hatch, it no longer stays up. So we're going to be replacing the rear hatch struts with some heavy duty ones here. Should be a pretty easy install, so let's get into it. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is just pull off the Rotopax can just so it's a little bit lighter to help the hatch stay open when I go to install the new struts. All right, so to undo these hatch struts is pretty easy. You're just going to need a screwdriver or a pick to get this. There's a clip here on either end. We're going to go ahead and pull that out. Just pull that clip off like that. Do that on both sides. Now once you have both of those clips removed, you should just be able to pull on the strut and pop it out of place and it'll come right off. All right, now we can go ahead and reinstall our new hatch strut. Just go ahead and do the same thing. Pull back that clip so that you can get it onto the connection. You might have to turn this to line up. Once you get both ends onto those connections, pop the clips back in. That way you know it's not going to just come off. All right, so there you have it. The new hatch struts are installed. Holds it open with no problem, even with the added weight on there. So whether you have added weight or you want to upgrade your OEM ones, say they're going bad and you just want to get something better, this is a great option. The link for these will be down in the description. Hopefully this video helps. Thanks for watching.